Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here at Babcock National. This is 15943 Grassland Lane, Unit 3921, part of the Coach Home series here at Babcock National. This is the Babe Creek floor plan. So it is the upstairs unit, coming in around 2,100 square foot. You've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 3-car garage. One side is tandem, which is really a nice, unique little proposition here. So let's run downstairs into the garage so you can see what I'm talking about here. So here, see how this side here is tandem. So you have your 2-car garage right up here. And then this is your 3rd tandem side here, which is great for golf carts or an additional car if you need it, or some additional storage. And speaking of that, you do have a nice understair storage right here as well. So now coming back up into the unit, got this nice stairwell here. And that brings us up into the nice great room area here of the Bay Creek. Nice open layout and design. You've got your dining space here, right next to your wide open kitchen with the white cabinets. You do have natural gas here as well, which is something that is very unique here in Southwest Florida. Not a whole lot of communities have that. But here you go, nice view of the great room here. And for now, we're going to go look at the guest bedroom side of this home. Over here, you're going to have 2 guest bedrooms. You're going to have the laundry and guest bath. So here's your guest bath here with the single sink, the combination tub and shower, and your linen closet. And then here's your guest bedroom number 1. These are huge. These are about the size of a master suite. And you also have a nice walk-in closet there. And here's guest bedroom number 2. Again, with a walk-in style closet. And then you have your laundry here, full-size washer and dryer, some additional storage above. Now, cutting straight across the unit here, we're going to run into the master suite. Really nice size master here. And you've got two really large closets here. Really nice size walk-in closets, one on this side and one on this side as well. And then that leads us to your master bath here with the huge corner shower there, and you've got your separate vanities, your private water closet as well. Now, last but not least on this home is the exterior lanai and views. Really nice size lanai with the Coach homes. You do have sliders going into your master right there. Really big lanai here, and this is overlooking the lake as well as a golf course here at Babcock National. Really stunning view on this home. So if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and I appreciate you watching.